अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल बिलाल लेक्चर्स ऑन फिज़िक्स। आज की इस वीडियो में जनरल बात करनी है। आई हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट सम बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स इंक्लूडिंग प्लाज्मा फिजिक्स जस्ट लाइक दैट आफ्टर इज प्लाज्मा और नॉट. So this is a very basic problems and have a exam MCQs also. So let's go. So our air is plasma or not? As I have discussed three main criteria for plasma, and by using that criteria we can actually check that system or that gas is plasma or not. So basically air is a gas and we have to uh, experiment and have to determine about that air is plasma or not. So first of all we have some given terminologies also here. So lambda d is basically the base pair that have to be unknown, and n is given here. N is the number of particles and have 10 raised to power 19 centimeter per cube. Temperature is about 300 Kelvin, and as we know that the base pair is approximately equal to 69. This one is temperature T and this one is small n. Just remember that n is here given by centimeter per cube, and as we know that 1 centimeter per cube is just equal to 10 raised to power 6 per meter cube. So we'll put 1 centimeter per cube is equal to 10 raised to power 6. So this will become 10 raised to power 25 meter cube. So we will put here and we will get the result of the base pair 3.77 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. So this is the base pair for air at this temperature and at that n number. So we get lambda d 3.77 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, and we can now imagine that this lambda d is very less than 2l. L is usually greater than this number. So we can say that the first criteria for plasma has been specified. We have discussed in the previous video that the first criteria for plasma is that lambda d must be smaller than the length of the system, L, capital L. And the second criteria was that nd must be greater than 1. So as we know that nd is 4/3 pi n lambda d cube, number of charged particles in the base pair. So we will put this lambda d cube. If we put this lambda d here, so as we know that this number is very small, 10 raised to power minus 10 is 0.0000 10 times 0, then this number will come. So this number is very small, and if we will put here, we will get the value in negative, in some 0 point something. So we can imagine and we can say that this nd is smaller than 1. So this second criteria for plasma not specified. So we can say that our air is, yes, not plasma, because अगर तीनों क्राइटेरिया स्पेसिफाई हों किसी भी गैस किसी भी सिस्टम के लिए तब प्लाज्मा होता है वो गैस, लेकिन इसकी एक कंडीशन स्पेसिफाई करेगी, सेकंड स्पेसिफाई नहीं की. सो वी कैन से दैट आवर एयर इज़ नॉट प्लाज्मा. So this is the very basic and main MCQs in plasma physics. So I hope that you will like this video. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you and stay connected with me.